And he can use it through global connectivity, which is 6G. A highly advanced network could enable real-time communication, financial systems, and identity verification on a worldwide scale. Pervasive sensing, which is quantum technologies, is the second way that he can use it. And this is extremely sensitive detection systems could, in theory, contribute to surveillance or tracking capabilities in specific environments. And then the data integration plus AI, which combined with large-scale data processing, these systems could allow centralized monitoring or enforcement mechanisms. So Beth and I really think that these data centers are what's going to be used to create everybody's digital twin. And then all of these technologies are going to be turned on, and then they're going to be able to track people specifically. They're not going to be tracking people in mass. They're not going to be tracking people looped in groups. These are individual tracking mechanisms that they're going to be able to use.